Welcome to Power Tools Pro. Today we're showcasing 20 genius woodworking tools every smart woodworker needs to take your workshop to the next level. From precision jigs to cordless power tools, these hand-picked tools will make your projects faster, easier, and more professional. Let's dive in. The Woodpecker's Parallel Guide System is a must-have for precise, repeatable cuts in woodworking. Its adjustable fence ensures perfectly straight cuts every time, whether routing, drilling, or guiding saws. Lightweight yet durable, this system improves accuracy, reduces material waste, and speeds up project workflow. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture making, and detailed joinery, it delivers professional-level precision without the guesswork. Its compact design allows easy storage and portability, making it convenient for workshops of any size. Whether you're a hobbyist or professional, this guide system ensures consistent results on every project, precision and efficiency in one tool. The wood-turning steady rest is essential for turning long, thin spindles safely and accurately. It stabilizes your workpiece, reducing vibration and uneven cuts. Made with durable steel and adjustable arms, it fits most lathes and supports various projects, from furniture legs to decorative spindles. By keeping your wood secure, it enhances safety, control, and finish quality. Perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike, it allows precise shaping without compromising stability. Its compact design makes setup and storage easy, while the adjustable supports ensure compatibility with multiple spindle diameters. A must-have for any serious wood turner aiming for smooth, professional results. The DCK 20V cordless hammer drill delivers the perfect balance of power, mobility, and convenience. Its brushless motor generates high torque for drilling into wood, metal, and masonry with ease, while the cordless design eliminates cord restrictions. Ergonomic and lightweight, it reduces user fatigue during prolonged projects. The set often includes multiple drill bits and a long-lasting battery, allowing uninterrupted work. Ideal for furniture assembly, cabinetry, and home renovations, this drill offers speed and precision for both delicate and heavy-duty tasks. Durable and reliable, it's built to withstand tough conditions while delivering consistent performance. A must-have for every modern workshop. The BeaverCraft draw knife is designed for shaping, shaving, and debarking wood with precision. Its sharp, high-quality carbon steel blade cuts smoothly, while the ergonomic wooden handles offer a comfortable grip for extended use. Perfect for sculpting furniture parts, chair legs, or handmade wooden tools, this draw knife gives excellent control over material removal. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting sharpness and strength, while the balanced design reduces fatigue. Whether you're a beginner or experienced woodworker, it enhances your shaping projects with smooth, controlled cuts. A reliable companion for whittling, carving, and general woodworking tasks that demand accuracy and consistency. The DCK Random Orbital Sander delivers smooth, swirl-free sanding for wood, metal, and painted surfaces. Its vibration-minimizing design reduces hand fatigue, allowing long sessions of precision sanding. Equipped with variable speed control, it adapts to different materials and finishes. Perfect for furniture refinishing, cabinetry, or DIY projects, it removes material efficiently while leaving a fine, polished surface. The dust collection system keeps your workspace clean, improving visibility and safety. Durable and ergonomically designed, it's easy to handle and maneuver for intricate surfaces. Durable construction ensures long-term performance. For every woodworker seeking professional quality finishes, this orbital sander is a reliable and versatile tool. The O-School dowel maker is perfect for woodworkers who want precision dowels without buying pre-made ones. It allows you to cut uniform, strong dowels from your stock wood quickly and easily. Adjustable guides ensure consistent diameters, while the durable steel construction provides long-lasting reliability. Whether you're building cabinets, furniture, or joinery projects, this dowel maker saves time and increases accuracy. Compact and portable, it fits small workshops and is easy to store when not in use. Ideal for hobbyists and professionals, it simplifies the process of making strong, custom dowels, helping you create perfect joints and high-quality woodworking projects every time. The Klmnduo adjustable Spokeshave set is a versatile tool for shaping and smoothing curved wood surfaces. Its adjustable blades allow precise control for fine detail work, perfect for chair legs, furniture edges, or decorative molding. Ergonomic handles reduce fatigue during extended use, while the high-quality steel blades maintain sharpness for long-lasting performance. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for both studio workshops and on-site projects. By offering precision and ease of use, this Spokeshave set enhances any woodworking project, giving smooth, professional finishes. Whether you're a beginner or expert, it's an essential tool for anyone looking to create beautiful, curved wooden surfaces effortlessly. The KETIPED adjustable drill milling dowel is designed for precision drilling and milling in woodworking projects. Its adjustable guide ensures accurate placement for dowels, screws, and joinery, while the carbide tips provide durability and clean cuts every time. Lightweight yet strong, it's ideal for detailed furniture, cabinetry, and custom woodworking projects. The tool simplifies complex drilling tasks, reducing errors and improving workflow. Whether you're aligning multiple pieces or creating intricate joints, this dowel guide delivers repeatable accuracy. Compact, portable, and easy to adjust, it's perfect for home workshops or professional settings. A must-have for woodworkers who value precision and efficiency. The Nakyma wood carving kit is perfect for woodworkers of all skill levels looking to create intricate designs. This comprehensive set includes various chisels and gouges crafted from high-quality steel for sharp, durable performance. Ergonomic handles provide comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during detailed work. Ideal for sculpting, whittling, or decorative furniture accents, the kit allows precise shaping of soft and hardwoods alike. Each tool is thoughtfully designed for safety and accuracy, giving beginners and professionals confidence in every cut. Compact storage ensures easy organization. For anyone passionate about wood carving, this kit is an essential, versatile addition to any workshop. The NANWEI Reciprocating Saw is a powerful cordless tool perfect for cutting wood, metal, and plastic in woodworking and renovation projects. Its variable speed control allows precise cuts while maintaining safety and accuracy. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces fatigue during prolonged use, making it ideal for demolition, remodeling, or intricate cuts. Equipped with long-lasting batteries, it provides extended runtime for uninterrupted work. The durable construction ensures stability and performance even in heavy-duty tasks. For professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, this saw offers versatility and reliability. Compact, portable, and easy to maneuver, it's a must-have for any workshop seeking efficiency and high-quality cutting performance. The BOSCH brushless biscuit joiner is ideal for woodworkers who want precise and strong joints. Its brushless motor delivers consistent power and long runtime, ensuring smooth cutting through hardwood and softwood alike. The adjustable fence allows accurate alignment for various angles, while the ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Perfect for cabinet making, furniture assembly, and panel joining, it ensures fast, repeatable, and professional results. Compact yet durable, the joiner is easy to maneuver and store. Whether you are a hobbyist or professional, this tool guarantees tight, seamless biscuit joints every time, improving both efficiency and overall project quality. The HLiePiHa cordless handheld planer delivers smooth, precise material removal for woodworking projects. Its brushless motor provides consistent power, while adjustable cutting depth ensures perfect results on boards, doors, and furniture edges. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces fatigue during extended use, and the cordless design allows free movement around your workshop. Ideal for planing, trimming, or finishing tasks, this tool makes achieving professional surfaces effortless. Durable construction ensures longevity and stability, while easy blade replacement keeps your workflow uninterrupted. Perfect for hobbyists and professionals, the HLiePiHa planer enhances accuracy, efficiency, and surface quality, making it an essential addition to any modern woodworking toolkit. The Inequalit 4-amp mini circular saw is a compact yet powerful tool for precise cutting in woodworking projects. Its 4-amp motor delivers reliable performance for slicing through wood, plywood, and laminate. Lightweight and easy to handle, it allows controlled, accurate cuts with minimal fatigue. Adjustable cutting depth and angle settings make it versatile for furniture, cabinetry, and DIY projects. Safety features include a protective blade guard and ergonomic grip, ensuring confident operation. Compact enough for storage in small workshops, it's perfect for hobbyists and professionals who need precision without sacrificing portability. This mini saw makes straight, clean cuts a breeze. The Champion 37-ton horizontal vertical log splitter is perfect for woodworkers and homeowners needing efficient firewood processing. Its full beam design allows both horizontal and vertical splitting for versatility. Equipped with a powerful gas engine and auto return system, it reduces manual effort while increasing productivity. Durable steel construction ensures long-lasting use, while safety features protect the operator during heavy-duty tasks. Ideal for splitting large logs for woodworking projects, furniture, or heating, it saves time and energy. Portable yet robust, it's suitable for home workshops, farms, or job sites. This log splitter combines power, safety, and reliability in one essential tool for any serious woodworker. The Ohyes air duster with brushless motor is a powerful cleaning tool for workshops. It blows dust and debris from workbenches, sawdust from tools, and chips from machinery with high-speed airflow. Its brushless motor ensures long life, quiet operation, and consistent performance. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's easy to handle for extended cleaning sessions. Perfect for keeping woodworking spaces clean and safe, it prevents dust buildup that can affect project accuracy and tool longevity. The portable design allows use anywhere in the workshop or on site. Reliable and efficient, this air duster is a must-have accessory for any woodworking enthusiast or professional. The Rockler material-made panel cart is a versatile and durable solution for handling large panels and sheet goods in your workshop. Its sturdy steel frame and heavy-duty wheels allow easy movement of plywood, MDF, and other materials without straining your back. Adjustable supports secure panels of various sizes, preventing tipping or damage during transport. Ideal for furniture builders, cabinet makers, and DIY enthusiasts, it improves efficiency and safety when moving heavy or awkward boards. Compact folding design allows for convenient storage when not in use. A reliable, time-saving tool, the Material-Mate panel cart keeps your workshop organized while protecting materials and enhancing workflow. The KIMO 8-inch mini chainsaw is a lightweight yet powerful tool perfect for woodworking, pruning, and small cutting tasks. Its compact design allows precise control for trimming branches, cutting logs, or crafting wood projects. Equipped with a durable chain and reliable motor, it delivers consistent performance while reducing fatigue. Safety features such as hand guards and chain brakes ensure user protection during operation. Ideal for hobbyists and small-scale professionals, this mini chainsaw offers versatility and convenience. Easy to maintain, portable, and efficient, it's perfect for workshops, gardens, or outdoor projects. A must-have for woodworkers needing precise, portable cutting power. The Kreg MortiseMate loose tenon jig simplifies creating strong, precise mortise and tenon joints. Compatible with most routers, it ensures accurate alignment for cabinet doors, furniture frames, and other woodworking projects. Its sturdy aluminum construction provides durability and repeatable precision, while the easy-to-adjust guides accommodate various stock thicknesses. This jig improves workflow efficiency, reduces errors, and delivers tight-fitting joints every time. Ideal for both hobbyists and professionals, it's perfect for crafting high-quality furniture with confidence. Lightweight and easy to store, the MortiseMate is a must-have for any woodworking shop looking to elevate joinery skills with consistent, professional results. The O-School Mortise tool is designed for precision mortising in wood, ideal for cabinetry, furniture, and detailed joinery projects. Its robust construction allows stable, clean cuts, while adjustable guides provide repeatable accuracy for different wood thicknesses. Lightweight yet durable, it's easy to handle and suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. This mortise tool improves workflow efficiency, ensuring tight-fitting joints and professional finishes. Its ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during extended use. A reliable, versatile addition to any workshop, the O-School Mortise enables woodworkers to create high-quality, durable mortise and tenon joints effortlessly, enhancing both project quality and overall craftsmanship. Thanks for watching. These 20 genius woodworking tools are just the beginning of what can transform your workshop. Whether you're building furniture, carving, or tackling DIY projects, these tools provide precision, efficiency, and professional results. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Power Tools Pro for the latest woodworking gear, reviews, and tips. Upgrade your workshop today and take your projects to the next level.